Whoa. Hey guys, I fed Sweetpea some catnip earlier, and she got crazy, and then she disappeared. I think she's passed out. Let's see if we can find her. Sweetpea, oh where are you, Sweetpea? You kooky cat, you drug addicted cat sniffing catnip, eating, sniffing. Oh, I bet she's in here. Pass the fuck out. Sweetpea, are you fucked up? Man, you look fucked up. Are you alright? I give you too much UOD on the catnip? You were fucked up, weren't you? Man, you are out. Whew. Well, I'd say we got Sweetpea fucked up on catnip today. Mission accomplished.